How to make a photo with Gemini AI. First, open your web browser and go to the Gemini website, or open the Gemini app on your phone. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Gemini, tap or click on the message box and describe the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible. For example, you can type, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, 8K quality." After entering your prompt, simply press Generate. Gemini will start creating your image, and within a few moments, your AI-generated photo will appear on the screen. If you're not happy with the first results, edit your prompt by adding more details, changing the style, or specifying different colors, lighting, or camera angles. Then generate the image again to get a better result. Once you're satisfied with the image, click the Download button to save it to your device. And that's it. You can use Gemini to create realistic photos, digital artwork, anime images, logos, wallpapers, and much more, all with just a simple text prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.